Next up, we have Maris Altieri. She's the program coordinator of Let's Move Pittsburgh.
So, hi everyone. It's such an honor to be with so many passionate people committed to changing our food system for our planet, for our people, and even for our pets. As Sarah mentioned, I'll be talking about the Let's Move Pittsburgh program. So, what is Let's Move Pittsburgh? We are a Phipps program, and our mission is to bring together organizations, healthcare providers, educators, parents, and caregivers in Allegheny County to lead children towards a healthier future. Community collaboration is the driving force of LMP. From schools to health clinics, we need to come together to uncover and analyze and remove barriers to change. One of the largest barriers in Allegheny County and our nation faces is the confusion and lack of nutrition and culinary knowledge. This has been a reoccurring theme today. We're entering the second or even third generation of people who are not taught nutrition basics or even how to cook. Instead about learning about nutrition in an educational and supportive environment, people are being fooled by tricky branding and pop culture fad diets. So Let's Move Pittsburgh ask ourselves, how can we make nutrition education more accessible? How can we make it so that all ages and all education backgrounds can understand health promotion? With these questions in mind, we rolled out with a 5210 Everyday campaign. It's a simple and clear message that promotes 4 daily habits, just 4 habits, that have been scientifically proven to improve children's health. They are 5 or more fruits or vegetables per day, 2 hours or less of screen time, 1 hour or more of physical activity, ideally outside and enjoying nature, and 0 sugary drinks. Now, 5210 is catchy and easy to remember, but how can people make lifestyle changes if they don't know how to do it? This is where Let's Move Pittsburgh jumps into action. We work intimately with 14 different sites, schools, childcare centers, healthcare, and community locations in neighborhoods of Pittsburgh that have low access to health resources, food, playgrounds, and parks. I want to emphasize that we don't point fingers when we go into these organizations. Rather, we collaboratively work with them. It's not problem solving if we're not listening to the audience we are trying to help. We develop action plans that are realistic and specific that incorporate train-the-trainer programs. And these workshops range from a variety of topics, whether it be sugary beverage reduction and talking with clinicians on how to speak to patients about that. It could be Meal Prep 101. It could be how to incorporate mindfulness in school cafeterias. The list goes on and on. So we also have the Champion Schools program, and this is for sites that function more independently. We're on our 6th year, and we have over $180,000 so far donated to fund wellness programs in early childhood and elementary schools in the Allegheny County area. If you're feeling pessimistic about the future of food, I highly recommend that you go to our website, letsmovepittsburgh.org, and check out all of the exciting projects that we've funded in the past years. This picture right here is from one of our champion school sites, Providence Connections, and they use the money to build raised bed gardens and to start a youth culinary program that incorporates produce grown on site. And I wanted to advertise that the Let's Move Pittsburgh Champion Schools program is currently accepting applications for the 2019 school year. So please go on our website, check it out. Applications will be open until April 12th. Now, the last thing that we offer is cooking classes. So we focus on plant-based cooking classes in our beautiful Botany Hall kitchen. If we want families to eat more nutritious foods and sustainable food, we have to show them how to do it. Not only do we lead family cooking classes, but we are also piloting a culinary medicine curriculum to train medical students and professionals about how cooking to incorporate cooking and nutrition basics when they are talking with their patients. And we hope that we can pass this on to the hundreds of patients that they can see. We hope that touring our rooftop garden and leading cooking classes in the Botany Hall kitchen, that we're able to guide children, families, and professionals through the process of seed to plate and give them the practical skills they need to do it at home. So that's all I have. Here is my contact information. Please go to our website. We have a newsletter, we have events, we have the Champion School Grants, and a bunch of other fun things. Thanks for your time.